What's up, everyone? Back on the channel, cruising through life. It's great to be back. It is Friday for us, and that means the school week is over. We got to survive our first week as a senior at Clemson University. School started on Wednesday for us, thank goodness. But yeah, I meant to do some vlogs and stuff, but not right now. We're gonna get to that stuff while I'm going to classes and stuff. But when I left off with the 3D printer, show y'all right here. I just put it together and I downloaded the software called Cura. Fortunately, my cousin have the software also. Ooh. Hold on, see it's computer. But yeah, he already had the software before me, so I'll be able to use it on his. Well, you'll be able to use it just because my laptop nearly crashed and died when I downloaded the software, and that's no good, no bueno. Just because I got to survive through this semester while I buy another laptop. I don't have $1,000 just throw away right now. But fortunately, he got it, and that's what he's doing right now. About to do some trial runs with the 3D printer.
Yes, sir.
You get it hooked up right. Right now, we run on a PLA filament, the test filament right here. So we're gonna stay tuned, and y'all see how it runs. Update on the 3D printer. Working out perfectly fine right now. We got everything dialed in. One of the main issues that we had, go around the cousin real quick, just trying to figure out how to feed the filament inside the actually machine. What I realized is you have to press this in and to start feeding the filament in through the nozzle or through like the tube. You also get right here. That's when you have to turn the nozzle on, let it heat up, and it's through about 75 millimeters, something like that.
Yeah. I'd say about like an inch.
About an inch.
Yeah, about an inch. About an inch of filament. Let it like melt and come through the nozzle. And then after that, like the longest part of the process is probably like leveling out the bed so you can get an even layer of filament from the center all the way out. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and start printing stuff out.
And was that a hard process to do?
Yeah, it wasn't hard, it was just kind of tedious because you have to adjust the little limit switch right there along the side. So once this is your Z-axis right here. Mm-hmm. So once this comes down, it can like level itself out on the bed evenly.
Okay.
But yeah, other than that, it wasn't too bad.
Hold on, people. Sorry. French Shades here. What's up, Shay? You on the channel right now?
Hi, cruising through life.
Okay. it's about the 3D printer right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But yeah. Right now you got the, what we know is like for the PLA settings, 200 degrees for the heating bed. Oh no, is that 200 degrees for the heating bed?
For the nozzle.
For the nozzle, about 200 degrees, and for the heating bed, it's about 55.
Yeah.
It's like perfect for PLA. So, everything looking good so far, people. You guys, so we finally gonna print some of our own now. And what Mark's gonna print is our name, GSD Motorsports. Well, it's actually GSD, but GSD stands for Get Shit Done. So that's what I call the GSD. So that's what we're gonna print out. But Mark, what is this object that you are printing though?
It's like a little jet tag. It's just like a rough, quick sketch of a jet tag.
Okay, cool.
For a keychain.
For a keychain. That's gonna be dope. Can't wait to see it. Are you screwing now, or are we gonna?
I'm gonna cut it. Yeah,
cut
all the way through. So this should be like a pretty quick print, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It's only it's only an eighth of an inch thick, and it's 6.5 inches long.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
6.5 inches. Jeez.
I mean, I could make it smaller, but
I mean, why not? Cause it's still on the test filament anyway.
yeah, and like we could put it on like a book bag or something like that. It's just like the first piece, so you know, it's gonna be dope.
I like that right there. See what's up to the channel real quick.
What's okay, my drink.
What, the White Claw? But yeah, can't wait to see. So, right now I just have the 3D printer just chilling. But we go through the settings real quick. Oops. So you can prepare it. Scroll down, preheat for PLA or ABS.
which is very convenient, honestly, compared to the last 3D printer I used was a MakerBlader M2 series. It was nice, but it was really expensive. It cost like $2,000 in comparison to this 3D printer. That's way expensive. And this 3D printer right here was only around $250 some, not including the glass we used right here and some filament, that filament right here. But yeah, but it's going through some of the settings, like control it, had the temperature, all that good stuff. The filament, what kind of, the thickness of the filament you want to use. What else? Anything else really? Motion, velocity, acceleration, jerk, steps per millimeter. It's really convenient, especially how Internet put together this 3D printer. I really enjoy it. So far it's gonna run really smoothly. You know, we have some issues of trying to balance the bed and stuff, but that's what any 3D printer. But otherwise than that, I can't complain. It runs really smoothly right now. But you'll see how it actually goes after a couple more prints and stuff. See if we made the right choice. But right now, I think we can say we made the right choice. What can you say, Mark?
Oh, definitely, man. This printer's about to be put to work over the course of the next couple of weeks.
Oh yeah.
What's up, you guys? It's that day 2 of this. Just cause I forgot to finish recording yesterday. What we are printing out. Show you real quick. Printing out this right here. Yeah. Come a little closer. But it says GSD Motorsports just cause it's the group what Marky and Shay and I all have together. It's the same thing with our podcast underneath too, GSD, which is also classic gen for us. But it's just we created a doll type.
Yeah, it's like a little jet tag for a keychain or a book bag, something like that.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. About 6.5 inches. You can see the words stuff clearly. We still use the test filament for this. So overall, it came out really well. I'm satisfied with it. He's satisfied with it, and Shay's satisfied with it. But right now
though, we are printing out a bottle opener. Supposed to take about 21 minutes. And this is the bottom of right now on Cura. So overall, from bringing stuff over from Cura, only you have to use we got an SD card. Share. And a little kind of dark. But the SD card is literally right there. I don't think you do it, that's just putting inside
You put it in the back of this, SD card USB holder, stick it in your computer, and then download the G code off of Cure into this, and then you stick it in there, upload the code, and you're good to go. You just run it.
Simple enough, honestly, people. Just create whatever you want. SolidWorks to bring it over to Cura or do something in Cura. After that, put onto the USB, which also is the SD card. Put the SD card in here, and you go to your settings on here, and on the 3D printer, and say print out blah blah blah, the G code. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. You're printing out a bottle opener, which takes us about 20 some minutes. But overall, I am truly satisfied with this 3D printer. I can't wait to actually print some more things out with it. It's really simple, honestly. I did not know it was gonna be this simple. I mean, I knew it was gonna be instructions wise and stuff. You gotta read certain things, but other than that, sheesh, you can't beat this, honestly. It's really simple.
You can't complain.
You can't complain at all, honestly. If you're gonna buy a 3D printer, I suggest for y'all buy this right here, the Ender 3 3D printer, the Pro Series. This got the Pro Series come with more than just the basic package, but this is the one to go.
Alright, you guys, this will conclude this video just for how to set up the 3D printer and actually start printing and everything else. I'm satisfied with it, like I just said a couple seconds ago, but if you have the Ender 3D printer or think about getting one, go ahead and do it. It's worth it. Go ahead. But alright, this concludes this video. Can't wait to talk to y'all later on. Got some more big plans for y'all, so deuces.